I'm the rifter.
And Mrs. the rifter.
No, she's not. She's not wearing the hat. I don't believe it. I don't think you should believe her either. Where are we at?
Crazyhorse.
We're at Crazy Horsey Kayaks. I don't know what horses have to do with kayaks, but we're here. We're gonna float down the Buffalo rivers today.
Mm-hmm.
And this time I'm gonna use a little sunblock on my legs.
A lot. He's getting the baby stuff. 100 proof.
Yep, we're drinking 100 proof baby lotion, or sun lotion. Anyway, welcome to our nightmare. Happy 190th. Mrs. the Rifter wants to go there. She doesn't want to get blown.
I want to go to the middle.
We're in the middle. This is the maximum middle that you can get. All day.
Huh?
How was the water?
Better than the branch.
Was it cool?
Yeah, cool.
What'd you get, a lamb?
Cooled me off.
Lamb? Man, what's going on?
That's why you don't mess with the trees. That was number 2. Sounds like I'm just pooping in the water when I say that.
What?
When I said that was number 2. Not what I meant. It's alright. We're not gonna. There's no branches that I know of.
Are you filming?
Yeah. I got you. Okay. So, my advice if you decide to come to the Buffalo River is bring Vaseline, because the river will screw you. I've been screwed twice so far since I've been here.
I flipped once.
So, once. Oh! She's trying.
Spread your hat instead of your ear.
She's trying to help, I think.
Well, I'm pretty red, so I'm putting
Well,
somewhere else.
Buffalo River. I've capsized twice and been accosted by the river. You know, that's what's causing global warming.
Oh wait, I was gonna get my legs.
That stuff stinks. Oh, yeah, so I think it's hilarious.
He's got a crack oar.
I've got a crack oar. That's a dad joke. You can have that. It is super hot. I think I drank 2 liters of water. It was a nice day though. Glad we came out here. Can't wait till Corbin gets old enough to do stuff like this with us. Cheese.
Cheese.
It's a video. Well, that was an eventful day.
Food.
I got
First kayaking trip of the year.
hit by 2 trees, and if you couldn't see it, which I can't even see what I'm doing. There we go. Yeah, that. My hand got cut by the second one. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. And then my thumb. Yeah, great day. Great choice. This river was crazy because we're at the Crazyhorse
It
thing.
wasn't the Crazyhorse River. It's Buffalo River.
Get your animals
Place
straight, okay?
It's called Crazyhorse.
It was crazy. Horse.
Crazy.
Anyway, we're going to do the Mexican foods now.
Yeah.
And hey, thanks for watching. Like, share, and
Got a little
subscribe. Yeah.
Just a wee bit.
All right, I'm ending the video because I'm tired.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Don't kill us.